Hello, my name is Vamsi Madhipatla. I'm the president of Sleep Care. We founded this company in India to provide holistic treatment for sleep disorders. My wife, Dr. Lavanya Gali, is a board certified sleep specialist. She's been practicing sleep medicine in New Jersey, and we as a family have relocated to India. She had a passion towards serving people with the disorder, and when we actually looked at where the problem is at the highest, it was in our own home country in India where we saw that the need for sleep treatment was required. We relocated to India, and now she has started a facility called Sleep Care. I'm supporting her from the business point of view. We plan to have 25 locations across India, Middle East, and South Asia. Our motto is very simple. 93% of all the urban population are suffering from sleep disorders according to Philips and Nielsen survey. This is a huge market, and the problem is that with such a high number of people suffering from sleep disorders, it is creating a lot of ripple effects. What these ripple effects are is a loss of productivity for companies. I mean, when Hyderabad or major cities have such huge investments of BPOs and other organizations, sleep, because of people not sleeping well and going to work, 53% of the people fall asleep there. And this is causing loss of productivity. Not only that, people who are not sleeping well are eventually being diagnosed with cardiac problems, diabetes, hypertension. Now, the cost in which they spend to actually treat themselves with these problems is also severe. In the world, $14 billion of loss, monetary loss, is caused because people don't sleep well. If you look at some of the accidents or the tragedies that have taken place in the past, sleep has been an important factor which has influenced them. And all these accidents that take place, whether it's in the aircrafts or Bhopal gas tragedy, or even truckers who drive, accidents take place in the early hours when people are not sleeping, sleep deprivation. So Sleep Care wants to address this market, treat people, as well as um, establish a presence in India where anybody who has sleep disorders can come to our facility and get treated. In addition to that, we are also setting up a centralized scoring facility in Hyderabad so that wherever we set up labs across India or Middle East or South Asia, we'll have a central way of monitoring the way the sleep studies are being conducted, the way that we score the sleep studies, as well as to ensure that the quality of the interpretation of the data and the reporting is done in an efficient manner. We also want to contribute towards companies with like Philips and pharma companies to help develop new drugs also in for curing sleep medicine. Philips has been a great supporter of us, and we hope to continue to work with them in the future. Thank you.